Hi everyone! In this video we will explore the anti-detection browser WMLOGIN. The software was developed in China. To start the work, click Free Trial on the WMLOGIN site and fill in the form. Then you can contact WMLOGIN support to get an approval for 3 days trial. You can see pricing plans of WMLOGIN on this page. After you sign up, download the tab file. Note that WMLOGIN is compatible with Windows operating system only. I suggest you to choose English language when you install the software because the default is Chinese. Let me show you the interface. There is a home page with basic information. Let's create a new profile. Insert your notes in this field if you need it. Now we will add a proxy to WMLOGIN. You can see the types of proxies WMLOGIN supports. We are going to use proxy created with iProxy.online. We have a video how to set up proxy using our service on this YouTube channel. We will use HTTP proxy. Let's copy and insert it to the WMLOGIN according to the required format. Let's check the proxy. It's OK, I got USA proxy. Save the proxy settings. Click Get Random Profile. Experienced users can change the fingerprints. WMLOGIN allows to manage variety of them. It's better to choose Chrome User Agent in order to add Chrome extensions. If you assume a teamwork, go to the Other configurations and enable all the tumblers in Synchronization Settings section. It's a necessary step if you want to share a profile with other team members. Save the profile and let's open it for check-in. Let's visit Hornet and the site Pixel Scan. All the fingerprints are OK. WMLOGIN allows to import cookies. Let's copy my cookie files and click Import Cookies from the clipboard in the profile we choose. Cookies were imported successfully. I will open the profile to check if I will be signed in to Facebook. Facebook account was opened. You can export cookies to the clipboard and insert them to the file. The next tab is Group List. You can add new group and change the icon. The third tab is Recycle Bin. Here you can see the deleted profiles. The important feature is an opportunity to send profile to your teammate if you work in a team. You can do it using the option Share Profile. Type the email of your colleague and submit the request. You will see in Member column the amount of users you shared profile with. You can send the profile to another owner completely using the option Transfer Profile Ownership. Type the email of a future owner in the opened window and confirm. There is an option to arrange permissions for the team members on the dashboard in the site WMLOGIN. It is in the Sub-Account section. You can add team member here and give permissions. There are permissions to create profiles, view profiles, edit the proxy. You can find the information about the user in My Account section. You can change the language or the password. There is significant information about port and address which are required for the automatization. WMLOGIN supports developing automatization with Selenium and Puppet and other settings. You can see the contacts in Help and Support section. You can make automatization of some actions in WMLOGIN without programming skills. You should download a special tool from the Help Center on the site. You can find the detailed instruction here. Let's see how this tool works. You must insert a P token in order to use it. A P token is placed on your dashboard on the site in My Account section. Type the password and copy the token. Insert a P and port to the WMLOGIN automation settings from My Account section. You can use the automatization to all profiles or to certain ones. Insert profile ID separated with semicolon. I will show you how to find profile ID. I've prepared several steps for demonstration. The point is to open google.com site and type our service name. You can face a problem that there is no ID of the element on some websites. You can use a function findElementByXpath in this case and use the name of the element and its type. I will show you how to do that on the example of Google site. Place the mouse on search string and you will see the name, queue and the type text on developers section. The button search doesn't have ID, the name is button and the type is submit. Let's see how automatization works. Our profile opens. Google has opened. The automatization worked correctly. Thus, we learned about the anti-detection browser WMLOGIN. Thank you for watching. Bye.